Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes so the airbag system cools and resets. Next, pry off the lower dash trim and knee bolster with a plastic tool. You do this to reveal hidden fasteners. Once those are removed, pull the HVAC vent bezels and the top trim pieces. This exposes the screws that secure the main dash assembly, so keep hardware organized and label parts as you go. Once panels are out, you remove the instrument cluster trim and back out the cluster fasteners. These are usually 7 mm or 8 mm, so use the proper socket. Then release the steering column, tilt to gain clearance, and remove the upper dash bolts hidden behind the wheel. Carefully pull the cluster forward and disconnect connectors, dimmer, speedometer, and airbag harnesses by depressing their release tabs. This prevents broken pins. Make sure to support the cluster so wiring doesn't strain while you work. You now slide the dash piece out slowly, watching for any hidden clips or wiring that can snag. Move methodically and have a partner help if heavy. When reinstalling, reverse the disassembly steps, torque bolts to factory spec, and reconnect the negative battery terminal only after all connectors are seated. If an airbag or ABS light appears, make sure the airbag connector is fully engaged and use an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to clear codes. Often reseating the harness solves false warnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.